Hello everyone. Welcome to my another video. In today's video I am gonna show you how I created my channel logo. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First, make a new page which is 1000 and 1000 pixel. It's better if we take a square blank page. First, choose the ellipse tool. Hold Alt and Shift to create the circle equal on every side. Now duplicate the circle and put it at the center of the first circle. Choose the diameter of the duplicated circle as you want. It's all up to you, but choose it wisely. It's time for the inner rays of the circle. To do so, create another circle a bit bigger than the inner circle and bit smaller than the outer circle. Now put the medium circle at the tangent of the inner circle. Now duplicate the circle. Press Ctrl+Y to see the main marks of the whole project. To make sure that the arc of the circles laid on the tangent of the inner circle. Again, create two more medium circle. And put all the four circles on the tangent as I did. Again, press Ctrl+Y to transform it as before. Now select the Shape Builder tool to select the area we want to keep, and start marking area. We have a beautiful shape. But there are 4 parts of the circle. It's all up to you how many parts you want to create. In my case, I just want to keep 2 parts from there. So I merged the other 2 parts with them, as you can see here. It's time to create 2 rectangles. Select the rectangular tool. And create a rectangle keeping the distance between inner circle and outer circle as you can see in the video. Duplicate them and put one of them on the opposite side of the whole circle. Hold Shift to select more object at the same time. Now send them back from every single layer of object. Again, select everything and merge the rest with the circle with Shape Builder tool. Now it's time to make the corners round shape. Hold Ctrl and select a corner, clicking the dot you can see inside the rectangle, and pull the dot furthermore inside of the rectangle. Keep doing until you are satisfied with the result. I am satisfied with mine. It's done creating the shape. Now the final thing to do is fill it with solid color or gradient color. I prefer to make it gradient, so let's do it and see the final result. As you can see my result, I am satisfied with that. That was for today. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and hit the subscribe button, your subscription mean a lot to me. See you in the next video, stay creative.